Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's digital age, social media is a huge part of our lives, but sometimes we need a little break from seeing someone's post on our feed without unfriending them. If you're wondering how to do that on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to take a break from a friend on Facebook. So let's dive right in. First, you need to log in into your Facebook account. Once you're in, head over to the profile of the friend you want to take a break from. Now, right under your friend's profile picture, you'll see a button that says Friends with a check mark next to it. Click on that button. In the menu, you'll see several options. Look for the option that says Take a break. It might be a bit down or so make sure to scroll if needed. Click on Take a break. You'll be taken to a new page with several options to customize how you interact with this friend. The first section allows you to see less of them without blocking or unfriending. You can choose to see them less in your newsfeed and limit where you see each other on Facebook. Just click on See List to activate it. Tap on Save. The next section gives you options to limit what they'll see of your post, and to edit who can see past posts between you two. These are great for adjusting your privacy settings without removing them as a friend. Once you've made your adjustments, just click Save at the bottom of the page, and voila, you've successfully taken a break from your friend on Facebook. And that's it, pretty simple, right? Taking a break from someone on Facebook can give you the space you need while keeping your online friendships intact. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.